Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Milanesa is a crispy, tender, breaded cutlet loved across South America for its incredible flavor and satisfying crunch. It's surprisingly easy to make right at home, perfect for a delicious family meal any night of the week. Today, we will guide you through the simple steps to achieve perfectly golden brown milanesas that will surely become a household favorite. Get ready to impress everyone with this fantastic dish. To start, choose thin cuts like beef top round, sirloin, or even chicken breast for the most tender milanesa. You will also need a simple setup of eggs, fine breadcrumbs, flour, and your preferred seasonings like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Begin by gently pounding your meat to an even quarter-inch thickness, ensuring it cooks consistently. This careful preparation is the first step to a wonderfully uniform and flavorful cutlet. Achieving that perfectly crispy coating relies on a classic three-stage breading method. First, dredge each piece of meat in seasoned flour, making sure to shake off any excess for a thin, even layer. Next, dip the floured cutlet into beaten eggs, allowing any extra to drip off before firmly pressing it into your breadcrumbs. Ensure the breadcrumbs completely cover both sides, creating a beautiful, uniform crust that will turn golden brown. Pan-frying your milanesas is the quickest way to achieve that irresistible golden perfection, usually taking just 2 to 3 minutes per side. Heat about half an inch of neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, to medium-high heat in a large skillet. Carefully place your breaded cutlets into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook until they are a beautiful golden brown and completely cooked through, then transfer them to a wire rack. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying your delicious milanesa. Serve them immediately, piping hot, with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top for a bright, zesty finish. They pair wonderfully with a simple green salad, creamy mashed potatoes, or classic crispy French fries for a complete meal. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly crispy and tender milanesa, a true taste of comfort food right from your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.